Friends, today we will discuss about M-type tube and why you call it cross-field tube. This whole thing we will discuss in this lesson. Now M-type tubes are microwave vacuum tubes. These are widely used as high power source of microwave power with limited electronic tuning and modulating capabilities. In M-type tubes, electron motion takes place in a region where electric and magnetic fields are perpendicular to each other. Hence, these tubes are also known as cross-field tubes. In this tube, electron emitted by cathode and are accelerated by electric field, and during this motion, they gain velocity. Since the accelerated electrons also crosses the magnetic field, so during this path, they bends from their original path. As the velocity increases, the bending of electron beam also increases by the magnetic field. It means greater the velocity of the electrons, more their path will be bent by the magnetic field, because electric force and magnetic force both are perpendicular to each other. Now, there are two types of microwave vacuum tube. One is O-type and another one is M-type. In O-type tube, kinetic energy converts into radio frequency energy, whereas in M-type tube, potential energy converts into radio frequency energy. In O-type tube, role of magnetic field is for focusing of the electron beam only, whereas in M-type tube, magnetic field plays direct role in radio frequency interaction process. In O-type tube, DC magnetic field is parallel with DC electric field, whereas in M-type tube, DC magnetic field is perpendicular to DC electric field. O-type tube is linear beam tube and M-type tube are cross-field tube because magnetic and electric field are perpendicular to each other in M-type tube. Two cavity klystron, reflex klystron, traveling wave tube, etc. are the examples of O-type tube, whereas magnetron, gyratron, etc. are the examples of M-type tube. Here we end our session. For this type of more interactive session, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for your patience.